Welcome to my channel WinChem. Today we are going to see pericyclic reaction in that cycloaddition reaction. What is that cycloaddition reaction? We'll see that one by one. In the cycloaddition reaction, it will not take place in the intramolecular. It takes place as an intermolecular. So two compounds is required, two pi bond molecule is required. With that help of that only, the cyclic product will form. The best example is Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, this may comes under this may goes with the condition of thermal as well as the photochemical reaction. Okay, if it is a thermal, the 4 plus 2, there is a 4 pi bonds, that is 2 pi bonds, that is 4 electrons plus 2 electrons, that 4 plus 2 cycloaddition will takes place in thermal condition, and we will get the cyclic product. This is also Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, in this case, two new sigma bond will form. Okay, this pi bond will come to this, and here it will go here, and this will be go here, and one new pi bond will form. Okay, and two sigma bonds will shown in the red in color, you can able to see, and one new pi bond is here. Okay, this is the 4 plus 2 thermal condition. And photochemical condition, you see here 2 plus 2 cycloaddition, here also 2, here also 2, 2 plus 2, here one new bond, here also one new two new sigma bonds will form in photochemical reaction. But the same reaction will not conduct in the thermal condition. Why is it so? Why it is not happening? What is the reason behind it? That we will see one by one. We need to know first for that orbital symmetry. What is orbital symmetry? In electrocyclic reaction, we saw that conrotation, disrotation, if the phases are different or same like that, we will see. We saw the symmetry overlap, and here the overlap also is here also the symmetry overlap. We call it as suprafacial bond formation. Okay, the suprafacial means the bond are in the same phase. Okay, the symmetry overlap will take place. Whether it may be like this blue, 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 or it may be blue or red, but these two should be in the same. Then it is called suprafacial. If it is one is same and another phase will be in the opposite. Okay, if it is on opposite sides, then we have to do a 180-degree twist. This we need to do 180-degree twist. Then it becomes similar. Okay, this red will go down, will up, and blue will go down, and this will overlap will takes place. Okay, this we call it as anterofacial bond formation. Why is it so? Here two compounds are there. Okay, that is in the same compound we will do the overlap, but here the two compounds are there. See how it is happening. What is the rule behind it? That this is the Woodman-Hoffmann rule for cycloaddition reaction. If it is a thermal condition, if the pi bonds are even, that is 2, 4, 6 pi bonds are there, then anterofacial will be there. We have to do. Why the phase will not be in the same? We need to do the 180 shift. Then it is anterofacial bond formation will be there. In odd, the phase will be same phase. We need to do suprafacial. If it is a even, odd means suprafacial. That we need to keep it in our mind. That is just reverse for that photochemical reaction. If you remember this thermal conditions, the photochemical condition is just reverse for that. Okay, if it is a even, then suprafacial, odd is anterofacial. We'll see examples also. See here the thermal and photochemical reaction of 4 plus 2 reaction. This is the HOMO of diene and this is the LUMO of alkene. Okay, these two compound will get overlap. Okay, see this is also blue, blue, red. So same overlap will takes place. So it's the suprafacial. Okay, then the two new sigma bonds will form over here. And in this case, if you see 2 plus 2 thermal conditions, if you see that this is same, you get overlap, but here this is not same, this is not will get overlap, and even it's very strain will takes place while doing this shift. So okay, this is not takes place, but if this the same will takes place on photochemical condition. On thermal condition, what will happen? The electrons will get shift, so the HOMO and LUMO will change. See here the LUMO of a second alkene and excited state of the HOMO of one alkene. Okay, the excited state, what is happening here? Excitation takes place because of the photochemical condition, and that time the lobes will be in the same, so that this overlap will takes place the suprafacial. What is this excitation? Everything you can see the electrocyclic reaction video, so that you come to know clearly what is this excitation state, what is that HOMO, LUMO, everything you can clearly get an idea. Okay, go watch that video. And what is the stereochemistry of this reaction? The stereochemistry is retained. Whatever the reactant stereochemistry, the same will retain in the product also. See here, cis reaction is there, means then it's a suprafacial will takes place and it will get the cis product only. See, these are all same phase. Okay, same phase means the same will takes place, same overlap will takes place, and it becomes suprafacial cis product we will get it. And see here how many bonds are there? Here it is an odd number of bond. 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 3 number of pi bonds are there. Here also 3 pi bonds are there. And here the CH3, this is a E and Z. E and Z is there. Here E is there, so cis product we will get. E and Z trans is there, so he will get the trans product. So according to that, the stereochemistry also retained. And one more I would like to say this is the consolidated tricks we need to keep it in our mind for both electrocyclic and cycloaddition reaction. This is the electrocyclic reaction and cycloaddition. If you remember this, you can be able to solve for everything. This thermal condition alone we need to keep it in our mind. For even number, conrotation, anterofacial. For odd number, disrotation, suprafacial. CA, you keep it in a CA. Conrotation means always it should be an anterofacial. Disrotation means always suprafacial. If even is conrotation and anterofacial for thermal means for even number of pi bonds for photochemical it becomes disrotation and suprafacial, DS. So this will opposite to that. So if you remember these two, this will be easily you can do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you will get the upcoming videos, and share to your friends, like the videos. Thank you.